your solar lights fading too fast? Do you find yourself replacing batteries every few weeks? Today, I'm reviewing the Zsolarigt NiCAD AA 300mAh 1.2v Rechargeable Solar Lights Batteries. This 10-pack is designed specifically for outdoor solar lighting, and I'll share my experience after using them for several weeks. First, let's talk about compatibility. These batteries are ideal for solar lawn lamps, string lights, bollard lights, ground lights, and garden yard lights. They also work with everyday devices like baby monitors, keyboards, mice, calculators, and scales. However, their primary purpose is for solar applications. The package includes 10 precharged batteries, about 30% capacity for safe shipment. Once you receive them, it's best to fully charge them before first use. They use Nickel Cadmium (NiCAD) chemistry, which is reliable for repeated charging cycles. With up to 500 recharges, these batteries save you money on disposable batteries over time. Charging is simple via solar panels or standard charging units. In my tests, they performed well in solar lights, providing consistent brightness for several hours after a full day of sun. The 300mAh capacity is standard for AA solar batteries, offering a good balance of runtime and recharge speed. Compared to alkaline disposables, these NiCAD batteries have lower self-discharge and can handle temperature fluctuations better. They are also more environmentally friendly since you can reuse them hundreds of times. One thing to note, NiCAD batteries have a memory effect, so it's best to fully discharge them occasionally to maintain capacity. Also, they contain cadmium, so proper recycling is important. Overall, for the price, these are a solid choice for anyone with multiple solar lights. They work, last, and save money. If you're tired of buying disposables, give these a try. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links and more details.